I can tell you that we have over 35 miles of sidewalk. My students and I came up with the idea of doing an entire inventory of accessibility on campus, external accessibility. Around that same time, the U.S. Access Board had put together some tentative requirements. They're still in rulemaking, but Clemson is ahead of the game because we have already done our entire inventory of campus. The first phase, we come out and we basically create a line network that represents all of the accessible paths, all the sidewalks. On those sidewalks, there are obstructions like stairs and steps and curbs and ramps. Phase 2 is to come back out and really very specifically look at each and every one of those physical assets to measure whether or not they are compliant or not, and what can we do to fix them.
I do get in the field, I work with the students. I collect the data as well.
As we are out collecting data, we are capturing GPS points on the tablet. For each of those GPS points, we get the slopes using laser levels. For parking spaces and things where we wanted surface level, we use the LiDAR scanner. We have used drones to capture all of the aerial photography.
I just completed my first year of my PhD program, and I'm getting a sense of what real data collection out in the field looks like.
Over the last 2+ years, we've probably trained over 20 students. And in my book, that's great because all those students are going to go out into the world knowing everything they need to know about accessibility. So I look at it as a win-win.
I would like to teach civil engineering and bring in the engineering education aspect of teaching engineering. I want to be a better teacher by learning how to be a teacher and then bringing what I learned into the classroom. This specific research, once again, is giving me insight into how actual research projects are conducted.
I think I like everything about it. Be so much involved with something that is so important, that is inclusive, and that is helpful, and that makes a difference.
As we are measuring accessibility on campus, it gives us the opportunity to change and make accessibility or make campus more accessible. And if we have a campus that's more accessible, that is going to go a very long way in equity, diversity, and inclusion of our students, faculty, and staff on campus.